Introducing Missing Reference Pinger, a simple yet powerful Unity editor tool that helps you identify missing references in your project. Let's start by opening the editor window, which can be found in the Tools tab. As you can see, the editor window is subdivided into multiple sections. Throughout this video, I'll explain each one of them. At the top, we have the Mode section. Here, you select where to search. You can choose to search in the scene, assets, or combination of both. Also, we have buttons for options and ignored, but I will come back to them later. Next, we have the search filters. This is where we select which of Unity's built-in components you want to include in your search. The script will scan for all game objects or assets, but only process components that are in this list. Below, we have a section called Custom Script Filters. Just as the name implies, you can add your own scripts to the search in one of three ways. Option 1. You can use the Object field to pick a script from the list. I would recommend this for adding individual scripts. Option 2. You could use the Add Script button to open File Explorer and add a script by navigating to it. This is more cumbersome though. Option 3. You can add all of your scripts from certain directories in one go by typing the directory name and clicking the Add From button. You have multiple options to remove scripts from this list as well, either individually, from directory, or clearing the whole list. Once we have finished selecting filters, let's move on to the search section. Here we have options to customize the search by including inactive objects, and also to extend the search and assets by including your packages. Once we are ready, we click search and let the script do its magic. The findings are displayed in the results section below, where each element points to a missing field in the component. You can also click them to ping the game object or asset. If you wish to remove the certain issues from showing up in the results, you have a temporary solution of removing them until the next search, or you could ignore them permanently by adding to ignore list. Let's go back to the Mode section and proceed to the Options tab. In here, you can clear saved settings or revert them back to their defaults. On the right side, you can adjust the scale of UI elements to your liking. The rest of the panel holds dynamic foldouts. These are generated for every component you ticked on the first page. You can expand the foldout to view its serialized fields. Only the ticked fields are included in the search. The most common fields are pre-marked by default. Let's take a look inside the Ignore tab. In here, we'll see a list of Unity's built-in components. These components are prevented from appearing in the filter list. You can use the drop-down to add more components to Ignore list, but be cautious about removing them. At the bottom, we have a list of serialized fields to exclude. These are the string names of fields that are only meant for Unity Editor to work with. You are allowed to append this list, but should know that the names here are used broadly across all components. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.